Websites and online marketing are definitely not created equal. It's very different creating an online program for a business-to-business company as it is for creating something for a business-to-consumer online marketing or campaign. Hi, I'm Danny Sanchez, CEO and founder of Autoshop Solutions. And this class is entirely about how does a business-to-business company create an online presence that can be successful for their clients. Now, every company is a little bit different, but there are tenets that follow inside internet marketing and on websites that create a great experience for your customer. Knowing the difference can make the difference between a website that gets used and a website that just gathers dust. Join me for this class to help you understand and learn and get some of the best tips, tricks, and also some of the best practices that business-to-business marketers use to create great online experiences for their customers. Join me and I look forward to seeing you.